How to open Emirates NBD account online. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can open up Emirates NBD account online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to open up your Emirates NBD account online, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is go to emirates.nbd.com and then you will see this type of interface over here. Then tap on the three lines option from the top left, then go to the option called account. Now in order to create a bank account online, first of all you have to choose which type of account you want to create, whether it's a standard current account, special current account, savings account, or other sort of accounts. In this case I'll select a standard current account. Now here are some of the criteria and the features that you will get when you create this account. So you can tap on the open your account option here. Then after you've done that, it will ask us, are we an existing customer? So obviously we aren't, so we'll select that. Are you an UAE national? So if you are, then you can select yes or you can select no. Then you have to enter all of these details according to your legal details as per your document. So the information that you enter here must match the information on the document that you provide later, which will be used for the verification purposes. So make sure to enter your first name, legal name by the way, and the last name, the email address, the phone number, the let's say state or any other thing here, and then after that you want to select your monthly income, then tap the next option and follow the other instructions in order to finish creating your account. This way you will be able to open Emirates NBD account online. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next video.